Today I'll be walking you through how to find my Afterpay card number 2025. So here's a step-by-step guide on how to find your Afterpay card number 2025 using the mobile app method. The first step you need to take is to launch the Afterpay app on your mobile device. The second step is to enter your email address and password to log into your Afterpay account. Next, select or tap on the Account tab from the bottom navigation menu. Step 4 is to tap on Payment Method. Then you choose the payment method from the Accounts menu. Don't forget to select Afterpay card. It should be among the list of payment methods. Next, you have to tap on your Afterpay card to view the card details, including the card number. It is important to note that you should make sure you have the latest version of the Afterpay app or website. You must be logged into your Afterpay account to access your card details, and your Afterpay card number may be displayed in a marked format, e.g. like this on the screen, for security purposes. Hope you found this video helpful on how to see your Afterpay card number or how to find your Afterpay card number using the mobile app method.